Case 2. The tenses may not change if the statement is still relevant or if it is a universal truth. We can choose whether to keep the original tenses or change them. Example 1. Tariq or I know her address. I have said Ahmed. And Tariq, Ahmed said he knows or knew her address. 2. Tariq, German is easy to learn, she said. And Tariq, she said German is or was easy to learn. Notice the past tense is often used when it is uncertain if the statement is true or when we are reporting objectively. Case 3. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, the tenses of the Doric speech do not change. For example, we may rewrite the above examples putting the reporting verb in the present tense. Thus, he says he's unwell. He just said his master is writing later.